Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today we are going to make one of these card holders, okay? You can use this design to make a set of cards and give it as a gift for any occasion. And I will show you how it looks decorated, and then I'm going to make a quick tutorial on how to make one of these. Now for this holder, we are going to use 2 sheets of cardstock, and that will be for the base. And this cardstock is like about 110 pounds, and I use pink, but you can use any color. And the size is 12 by 12, okay? Now for the first page, we are going to make a score marks, okay? And the first score mark is going to be at 5 right here, okay? 5, and you go all the way down, okay? Then the next one is going to be at 5.5, and you go all the way down. And the next score mark is going to be at 11, all the way down, okay? After you are done with those 3 marks, you are going to fold the paper, look this way, okay? And we are going to make a score mark at 4, all the way. Okay, so we have 3 score marks right here and 1 right here. Now we turn this paper and we are going to make more score marks right here, but this time we are going to stop on this line that we mark at 4 on the side right here. We are going to stop there, okay? So the first mark is going to be at 1/2 inch. Okay, we go 1/2 inch until 4, see, until the line of 4. And right here, we have 2 score marks, but we're going to make one more. And this one is going to be at 7.5, okay? You are going to score at 7.5 all the way until the mark of 4, okay? And that's it. Now, we are going to do the other page, okay? For the other page, it's going to be the opposite, okay? So we are going to put this one, and we are going to mark at 1 all the way down, okay? Right here, we are going to mark at 6.5 all the way down, and then at 7. Now we are going to turn again, okay, this way to the right, and we are going to score at 4 all the way down. Then we are going to turn the paper, and we are going to make one score mark right here all the way until 4, okay? So it's going to be a 4.5 right here, 4.5 until you reach the line of 4, okay, right here. And right here, okay, you are going to mark at 11.5 all the way until 4. Okay, 11.5 all the way until you reach 4. And you will find 2 papers like this with the same score marks. If you put them like a mirror, if you put them together, you will see like a mirror, all the marks in the same place. Okay, now we have pages 1 and 2, and you can see that because it has 1 inch in the center. Okay, right here, 1 inch for the center. So now before we fold the paper, we are going to cut right here on this side right here. See, you have 4. You are going to cut on the left all the way until 5.5. Okay, and then we are going to cut this one. So we need to get this piece out. You're going to cut all the way till here. Okay, there. And then right here, all the way to the second score mark. Okay, this one is the piece of paper that was on this side. You will have this piece, which is 4.5 by 4. Okay, and this one is for the pocket. So we are going to save that. Okay, and this one right here in the second page, you are going to do the same thing in the other side, because this is like a mirror page, right? You're going to get this piece out. Okay, you make the cut from here all the way to here, see, and right here on the side until the second score. Okay, score mark. So then you have this piece out. So now we're going to fold the paper, and then we're going to do the pockets with this one. Okay, now that the paper is folded, as you can see right here, you can see better, right? That this one is the first part, and this one is going to be the spine of the holder, and this is the other side. So we are going to glue or tape right here. This one you have to overlap, so we have a very firm holder. Okay, and it will look like this. But before we glue this part, we are going to do one more thing. Okay, right here in this part right here, okay, in this one you're going to make one more score mark, and it's going to be at 1/4 of an inch. Okay, in between. So right here, 1/4 of an inch in these two sides. Okay, and as you can see, you have one score mark in the middle. So what you will do is, okay, fold this one to the back, then this one, it will be fold to the front. Okay, and then this one to the back. So it will be an expanded pocket. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing with the other side. We fold to the back, okay, then to the front, and then to this one to the back. See, so when you glue this part up here, it will look like this. See, at the bottom it will be closed, and at the top it will be open, and that will hold your cards better. Okay, so we glue that part at the back, and we're going to do the same thing in the other side. Okay, right here in the second, we're going to score in the center, which is 1/4 of an inch in between. Okay, and same as here. And now I have the 2 pages ready, and to make it easier to glue this part up here, less bulky, we are going to cut. Okay, we are going to cut right here, so it's less bulky when we glue this one right here for the folding part. Okay, to make this folding better, see, we are going to do that right here too. Okay, so this one is going to be easier to fold to the top. And we're going to glue the pockets first, and after that, when we have these 2 ready, we are going to glue this part up here, overlapping these two pages. And as you can see, this is the spine, and here are the two pockets for the big cards. And we are going to put the small pockets on the sides, okay? For the small pockets, we are going to use these two pieces of papers that we cut. And this one is 4 by 4.5. And for the first one, we are going to score at 1/2 inch right here, 1/2 inch, and if you turn the paper, another 1/2 inch, okay? So it will have 3 marks of 1/2 inch on the sides, okay? And it will look like this. So now, before we fold it, we are going to cut the corners like this. And it will look like this. So we fold this part on the sides and this one. And I will glue this one right here on this page, okay? I will leave the same size on the sides and at the bottom. For example, if this one has like 3/4 inch on each side, up here I leave 3/4 inch as well, okay? So it can look in the center. And for this side, before you glue the pocket, which is this pocket, you are going to put the paper, okay, the scrapbooking paper, and then you glue the pocket, and you decorate the pocket with the scrapbooking paper as well, okay? Now for the next pocket, we are going to make 2 pockets right there, okay? So we have the paper, and this one is 4 by 4.5. So first we're going to score 1/2 inch all around, okay? Like this, see? 1/2 inch all around, okay? And after that, okay, on this side that has 4, you are going to cut in half at 2, okay? See, we just cut at 2, and then you have 2 equal pockets, okay? And that will be for the small tags. And we're going to do the same thing. We cut right here the corners, and we fold the sides, and this will be the pocket for the small tags, okay? And it has one on top and one at the bottom. And as you can see right here, see, this is exactly the same size, see? So you just put it on top and see the dimension, put in the tags, and then you glue it, okay? So it can be like center. And as I said, you have to put the scrapbooking paper, and then you have to glue the pockets, okay? And that's it. This is how I made it. For the big tags, I cut pieces of paper of 5.5 by 3, okay? And then I just cut the corners right here, okay? So you just need 3 tags of 5.5 by 3. And the small tags are kind of same size, okay? For example, the diameter of the circle is 3 inches, and these are like 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, but you can do up to 3 inches, and because they are 3, they will fit very well in the pocket, okay? So you just cut something like less than 3 inches, and then you will have beautiful small tags, and you just use your embellishments, and you just can decorate the way you want, okay? And as you can see, this part right here, this one, it looks shorter. It can be like that as well because it shows a little bit of the inside, but I prefer to embellish the edge right here. And as I said, I put this beautiful trim. You can use paper and decorate the edge with a paper punch with a different color or anything, okay? Or just leave it like that. but it's a very nice gift. See? Okay, I hope you like this idea and you have fun making one of these for you or your loved ones. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.